Hey everybody, it's Dave in here, always helping you play creatively. Recently, I was listening to some old songs that I learned back in college. One of those songs was a CCM song called Manifesto. If you're a little bit older and you were listening to CCM around that time, you might actually remember it. It goes something like this. So the piano part is like this. All right, and the beginning of the song is, we believe in the one true God. All right, so anyway, it's hard for me to play that part and sing the song. Well, I got to the end of the song, the bridge, and I found something that I'd never find in CCM. I found this is a 13 with a sharp 11. That is extremely rare, okay? I found this chord in a CCM song. They played it here. Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth. Anyway, it wasn't about all that. I was so surprised to hear this chord. Now, what is this chord here? Why is it so special? This chord is really taking from the Lydian scale. Here it's going to be the B Lydian scale. All right, and I thought, man, I'm really working on some Lydian concepts right now. It would be great to talk about this in a video. So how would we apply something like this to the music that we're playing, okay? How do they actually apply it? Well, they go from here. So, our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name, thy kingdom come. All right, I'm screwing up the words, but you get the melody, okay? They're going from this to this, okay? Really, they're doing this, but for the sake of this video, we're gonna change it to this right here. So they're going from a sharp, a 9 with a sharp 11 with a 13 to a 1 over a 3. So they're going from a 4 chord with that extension to a 1 over a 3 chord that has this 2 in here, okay? Now, if we look at that in the key of C, what do we have? So that's our 4 chord with the extension, with the 9, sharp 11, and let's make sure I'm getting everything right. 9, sharp 11, 13. Yeah, 9, sharp 11, and 13 to the 1 over 3 with this 2 right here, okay? You can just think of this chord, if you break it down, as a G over F, which is going to C over E, okay? All right, so G over F going to C over E, okay? Now, how would we apply this in a song? Well, let's go ahead and let's take a look at Amazing Grace. And let's remember what this concept is. The concept is we have a 4, that's a sharp 11, that's the important part, that's what makes it Lydian, going to a 1 over 3. That's the concept. Let's go ahead and apply this in What a Friend We Have in Jesus. What a friend we have in Jesus. Our sins and griefs to bear. Okay, so we're gonna apply this first going to this 5 chord. All our sins and griefs to bear. And what we're gonna do is we're going to play the 4, that's a sharp 11, going to a 1 over 3. This 5 is, we're gonna treat this temporarily as our 1, and this 4 is now gonna become our sharp 11. And so we get something like this. Our sins and griefs to bear. Did you hear that? All our sins and griefs to bear. That was gorgeous. And what happens if you add a little bit of flavor to it? All our sins and griefs. Woo! Fire. Just fire, okay? Same concept. Now, that's going to a 5 chord. Let's look at this in 'Tis So Sweet to Trust in Jesus. Let's look at the basic chords first. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and just to take him at his word. All right, so we're gonna do this going, where are we gonna, this is this is major D dominant 7. We're gonna do the move going to this, okay? This concept. And so we're gonna temporarily treat this D7 as our 1, and then we're gonna find our 4, which is gonna be G, and then we're gonna make that a sharp 11 with all the other 13 and 9. So we're gonna have this. All right, that's gonna be our move. So here we go. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and just to take him at his word. Wonderful. Let me do it again. 'Tis so sweet to trust in Jesus and just to take him at his word. All right. That's gorgeous, okay? All right, let's do it one more time. This time, we're gonna do it on the water of my soul part. So, as the deer panteth for the water, so my soul. All right, so instead of doing that, we're gonna treat this F as our 1. We're going to find the 4 of F, which is going to be B flat, and then we're gonna add the extension to that, okay? Which is the sharp 11 with the 13 and the 9, all right? So, or it's just gonna be a C over B flat. That's what it is, okay? Here we go. As the deer panteth for the waters of my soul. Woo. Okay? So, this is such a really simple concept. Instead of just playing a basic 4 to a 1 chord, is to really play the 5 chord over the 1 chord, or the full name of it is going to be a sharp 11 with a 13 and a 9. But really it's a Lydian, not really, but it's just a Lydian concept that's so much brighter and adds a much different sound to a lot of the darker stuff that you would find in gospel, which would be coming from like diminished ideas. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to grow in your piano playing journey, I definitely recommend you check out our website, Play Creatively, where we even have free resources to help you grow. On our website, we also have some of the songs that are in this tutorial, full tutorials of these songs. At the end of this video, I would play what you would learn on our website. I'll see you guys next week.